We did already test for the Tamron 35-150 f2 to 2.8 lens. So on this vlog, we have the new Samyang. The Samyang AF 35-150mm f2 to 2.8 lens covers a broad range of focal lengths and is well suited for portraits, travel, sports, and wildlife photography. As a fast all-around zoom, this lens supports the key features from the Sony mirrorless bodies including hybrid autofocus, eye autofocus, direct manual focus, and AF assist. The lens offers outstanding edge-to-edge sharpness and optical performance throughout the entire zoom range. The lens linear stepping motor is a fast and responsive for photographers and videographers alike. The Samyang 35 to 150mm f2 to 2.8, it's a full-frame lens which have the aperture of f2 to f22. There's a 3 custom modes switches, 9-blade diaphragm, and a weather seal design. So today's vlog guys, I will try and test again the Samyang 35 to 150mm f2 to 2.8. Again, this is a cheaper version of the Tamron. We did already vlog or test with the Tamron, but on today's vlog, again, we will put this one in the Sony camera and let's check the quality guys for portrait on our colleague here. So again, I don't have any option. So let's try to take sample photos with this lens. Yeah. Take all 35, 150. Take. Make landscape better. Tapos, 290.
Para na sila sana na. Gapo ni Arte ba? Bagay kay sa iyo may buhok ba?
Wakon ta undang niya sa gabi gapon.
Let's look great, sir.
Wala kag dili tayo, wala kag.
Dili Arte ba siya. Pilana na yung pagkuan ay natong kuan. Pero gapo magyapon to ka nagpaalog kay sa iyo katungol ay buhok. Sinay sir also. See also your hair mushroom madam. Ayar, see cut your hair sino da.
No, I will make long. I will make Korean. Korean hair. Yeah, yeah. Opa.
Opa. See nice one.
And I will check konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa.
Sayonara. No, this is 70.
290 siya.
But this one is 2.8.
Yeah, I'll take 4 for you. Even if you no, please take. It's okay. What like your eyes this one or what? Very blurred.
Very blur, sir.
Yeah, you can adjust it to the front. That's right. Here, better. So 150.
You want to go outside?
No need.
Just a normal.
For example, I have in 35.
30.
Until 150. It's very nice.
High one glass.
Take with guru.
There. Huh? Kiन यस्तो ब्लोर यो राम्रो त राम्रो हो कि तर
अति नै ज्यादा ब्लर है
खै त राम्रो आउँदैन नि
सम्याङको
Samyang ko. Focus to hundu mo din tayo mo.
लेकिन फोकस है ना
Focus na.
Okay, make like this, huh? With that lens. No. So guys, I think that's it for today's vlog. Again, this is more cheaper compared for the Tamron 35 to 150 millimeter f2.8. It's f2 to 2.8. It's the lens itself is around 1,319 or 1,400 US dollar, and the Tamron is around 1,800 US dollar. Again, depends on your local market. So that price I base only on one of the famous shop in the US. So para ano tayo, diba? Malinaw. So again, yan, for me, this is a best lens for wedding photography. But I don't recommend for street. It's heavy. This is a big lens, guys. It's heavy lens for. So I will not recommend for, of course, street. This is a big lens. You have lock. So when you go with 24, you can lock, and 24, 35. See? When you lock at 35, it will not go. So, parang ganon. So, you have lock. You have your manual focus here. Yan. You have custom buttons, 1, 2, 3. Manual autofocus switch. And you have 2 more buttons here. Customized button. So, and guys, it's a big lens and heavy lens. Like, you have 6 lens. 6 lens in one lens body. Or 6 focal lens in one lens body. Like, you have 35, 50, 85, 100, 135, and 150. So you have 6 lens again in one body. So for me, if I will be in a wedding photography or events photography, I would rather choose this lens as my main lens. I know this is more cheaper for the 24-70, but yeah. So for the sharpness and photos, I like the photo, guys. So yeah, and the quality of the lens. Yan. I think that's it for today's vlog, guys. Again, if you want to check the price and availability of the Samyang 35 to 150mm f2 to 2.8, you can visit our website www.abworld.com. If you want to see the lens itself, you can come and visit us here in Megastore Showroom AB World Salmia Symphony. Quite. Yan. Now, guys, I think that's it for today's vlog. Again, if you want to check the price and availability, check to our website, www.abworld.com. So yan, hanggang dito na lang. Thank you and mabuhay.